Rolls-Royce engineers once placed a glass of water on a running engine to prove a point. The water didn't move, not one ripple. Charles Rolls and Henry Royce met just once before deciding to build cars together in 1904. Royce was a perfectionist engineer. Rolls was an aristocratic salesman. They agreed on one obsession: absolute silence. Every Rolls-Royce is hand-built by a single engineer who signs their name inside the car. The average build time is 6 months per vehicle. The hood ornament, the Spirit of Ecstasy, retracts automatically if someone tries to steal it. The interior leather comes exclusively from free-range Scandinavian bulls. Because barbed wire scars would be unacceptable on a Rolls-Royce seat. They once recalled an entire production run because the clock ticked too loudly. Rolls-Royce doesn't sell transportation. They sell the complete elimination of the outside world. Follow for one story like this every single day.